Hey, Maryland and the family. It's Corey. I actually spoke with Maryland a little bit earlier today. Anyway, I just want to shoot over three free tips. That way, you guys can actually apply these to your website. I'm just gonna go over content, citations, and backlinks. So talking about content, Google's really super authoric when it comes down to the content that you're actually trying to be ranked for. It really comes down to how much detailed information that you're giving the general public. Even your images, what they're saved as, there's content behind it, and it all matters. Instead of having a bunch of digits and numbers or whatever, I'd actually put buying intent keywords back there, and that'll make a world of difference in with your rankings to get those quality leads that you're trying to get as well. I like to be. Let me see here. You're probably right around 500, maybe 600 words or so. I personally like to be around 2,000 words. So beefing up your content and being super authoric will help a lot as too. Plus, we need enough keywords in there, or excuse me, we need enough content in there so that way we can layer the keywords accordingly on what we're trying to rank for. Um, so if I just go inside of Google and go into furnace repair Minneapolis, this is what you're gonna see. You got these little Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new to Google. A lot of people got so sick of all these ads, these spammy ads, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out all those spammy phone calls. Then you have the traditional ads right here. A lot of people have actually been going away with ads because of those spammy phone calls. Anyway, I don't. I'll see if you're running ads a little bit later. But anyway, you got this little map section right here underneath the ads, and really for the rankings to get here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, it's a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competitors have, but don't stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath this little map section, we have all the organic traffic. This right here for the rankings here really comes down to what's on your website, how much detailed information that you're giving the general public, but also what's called a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. And if I just take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. And it looks like currently you got a 95 referring domains, which is pumping back a little over 1,000 different backlinks. And in total, looks like you're getting about 26 clicks every single month, and you're not running any ads as well. And if I go inside the keywords, I can actually see the what keywords you're actually being ranked for. You got your name here at the top. AC repair, Woodbury MN, 7th position, 30 clicks every month. Hastings furnace tune-up MN, your 30 position. Let me do this. So you can actually switch the position instead of the top. We're going to go from the bottom to the top here. So right now you're the 100th position on furnace repair Minneapolis. So that's a huge buyer's intent keyword. The traffic in that one area for furnace repairs over 400. It's right at 400 clicks every single month. Furnace repair Minneapolis, another 80 clicks. So you're missing a lot of traffic just from not being in a good position. So really getting the high quality backlink and making sure everything's optimized and you're actually being ranked for those keywords will make a world of difference on those quality leads that you're actually trying to rank for. You got Paul's HVAC as well, 98th position. There's another 50 clicks. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to talk with you a little bit more, or at least apply these three free tips for yourself. Look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you.